Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn Knock Subdomain Scanner, which is information gathering tool in Linux. Knock is another Python-based subdomain discovery tool, which is tested with Python 2.7.6 version. Here I wrote GitHub downloading zip installation command, copied it up, and let's open terminal. Now I'm going to change directory to desktop. This is not mandatory. You can use any directory. Paste the command. Here you can see that Knock installation is started. You can see that successfully installed NockPy 4.0. Type NockPy space -h. Here you can see that basic syntax NockPy -h-v -w word list -r -c -g and domain. The optional argument, which is -h help, shows this help message, and exit -v version, show program's version number, and exit -w word list, specific path to the word list file. Here you can see that some of the basic example. Let's scan google.com subdomains. Type knockpy space google.com. Here you can see that scanning is started. It is displaying with IP address status. Type domain name headers. Here I will show you output exporting in JSON format. Stop the Google subdomain scan. Type Ctrl+C. Type knockpy space -j space facebook.com. Facebook subdomain scan is started here. Here you can see that JSON report saved in facebook_com 149 so on .json file. Let's open it. We see that JSON format Facebook domain is extracted here. So that's it in this video on Knock Subdomain Scanner information gathering tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.